WFMK. Rob Marciano, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Of course.
I can't believe that video.
So close.
That video, the Canadian car that barely missed the motorist.
It's wild.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's wild. And a lot of people, you know, are trying to make their way around different areas of the country to celebrate the ringing in of the new year.
Bad weather.
Millions of people coming to New York. They're not going to see conditions like that, it sounds like.
No, we actually have been so blessed because we have not had the weather worries that we can typically have this time of year. There is a large storm system across the U.S. right now. We get a little piece of that coming in later on tonight, and it's rainy all day on Monday. But it's not the slick travel conditions or a major snowstorm to cause monster delays. Instead, we're going to have to put up with some rain around here, which basically could be a blessing in disguise. Sort of cleanses out the streets and gets us all ready for the party on New Year's Eve. 42 degrees right now, and that's a number coming out of Central Park. Now, our temperatures throughout the day are going to climb into the low to mid 40s, a few degrees from where we are right now, but that's a lot cooler than it's been the last couple of days. You can expect that temperatures will actually start to return to above average just after the new year. So we've got a couple cool days here as the rain arrives. It's a little breezy for New Year's Day, and then we're bouncing right back to almost 50 degrees by the end of the AccuWeather 7-day stretch. So let's begin right now with the sub-freezing areas, which are Newburgh, Sussex, Morristown. Toms River's just got up above 32 degrees there at 33. So some of these areas through northwest New Jersey and the northern counties of New York could be around the freezing point as the rain is falling late tomorrow night and into Tuesday. So we're going to be looking at winter weather advisories in those areas, but it's just way too warm around the city, and most of the areas across the tri-state were well above freezing, and so this is all rain. Rainfall totals, that could be the problem. 1 to nearly 2 inches could cause some minor flooding in poor drainage areas, so heads up if you're typically flood prone. Looking south down into really the bay, and we can see One World Trade here. A little bit of a muted sky, some hazy conditions, an east wind at 9 miles an hour. Not the bright sunshine that we've had, but we'll see these clouds pushing in ahead of the storm system. You can see this huge comma shape across the central portion of the U.S., pushing into the eastern third of the U.S., and we get a piece of it here with the rain showers coming across the Virginias right now. That's in our neighborhoods by late tonight, and it continues through tomorrow morning. So if you're back to work tomorrow, then you'll be looking at these showers for the early commute and then again for tomorrow night's commute. So we have a good period of the day here that's dry. Sprinkles start around 4 o'clock, rain through the evening, and then continuing heavy at times into tomorrow morning. You can look at the futurecast here by 6 or 7 o'clock, even into the 8 o'clock hour. We've got some yellow showing up on the map. Heavy downpours off to the east, and that's where I believe the highest totals will be. It was parts of eastern Long Island, coastal Connecticut, maybe even the Jersey Shore could see some higher numbers as well. So watching the futurecast, taking this all the way into Monday night to early Tuesday, look at these top totals. Over 2 inches off to the east, that's a lot of rain in a short amount of time. So you'll want to be ready for that, especially if you live in the low-lying areas that can have trouble handling so much water in such a short amount of time. Tomorrow, 44 degrees. Here's the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Ring in the new year, Tuesday night into Wednesday. I think as the ball drops, we're going to be right around 39 degrees with dry skies. That's hard to beat. That's pretty nice. For millions of people that will be watching and enduring, that's what they'll have to contend with. First day of the new year on Wednesday, 44 degrees, clouds and sunshine, 44. Then we're back above average. Upper 40s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The AccuWeather 7-day forecast will take us into next weekend with another chance for rain. Still no snow in sight.
All right. Thanks, Amy.
We'll be right back.